How to add distance widget on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go to your home screen and touch and hold an empty area until the apps jiggle. Then, tap on the edit option from the top left and select Add Widget from the pop-up menu. App widgets allow you to place a small, app-based tool on your home screen or lock screen to see information at a glance without opening the full app. Over here, select the pedometer widget, which is a small, interactive display for your home or lock screen that shows your current step count and other fitness data. Then, tap on Add Widget, and after that, select Done to confirm. Now, you can use this widget from your home screen. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily add a distance widget on your phone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.